Bloated after every meal. Here's what your gut is trying to tell you. Do you often feel bloated, heavy, or uncomfortable after eating? Even when you've had something simple. Maybe it starts with just a little tightness in your stomach. Then, the gas builds up. You feel sluggish, your clothes don't fit right, and by the evening, you're just done for the day. It's frustrating. It feels random. But the truth is, your body's giving you clear signals. You just need to learn how to listen. Let's talk about why bloating happens. And more importantly, how to stop it naturally. So what's really causing all this bloat? The answer lies in your digestive system's balance. And more specifically, your gut bacteria, stomach acid, and the way you eat. It's not always about what you eat, but how and when you eat it. 1. Poor gut bacteria. Balance inside your gut live trillions of bacteria. Some are friendly, others not so much. When this balance is off, like after antibiotics, stress, or too much processed food, the bad bacteria ferment your food, causing gas, bloating, and discomfort. Natural remedy. Start adding fermented foods like kefir, sauerkraut, or plain yogurt to your diet. These naturally feed your good bacteria. If you don't tolerate dairy, go for coconut yogurt or kimchi. Even a small spoonful a day can help rebalance your gut. 2. Low stomach acid. Yes, low. This might surprise you. Many people who feel bloated after meals actually have too little stomach acid, not too much. When stomach acid is low, your body struggles to break down food properly, especially proteins and fats. This leads to fermentation in the gut. And you guessed it, bloating. Daily health tip. Try drinking a glass of warm water with lemon 15 to 20 minutes before your meal. It gently stimulates natural stomach acid production and helps prepare your gut for digestion. You can also chew a slice of fresh ginger before meals, a traditional digestive aid used for centuries. 3. Rushed eating and lack of chewing. It's so common. Eating at your desk, scrolling through your phone, or gulping down food in 5 minutes flat. But digestion actually begins in your mouth. If you don't chew enough, your stomach and intestines have to work extra hard. And that causes bloating, gas, and slow digestion. Simple, natural habit. Chew each bite at least 15 to 20 times. It may sound like a lot, but it really does make a difference. You'll feel lighter, fuller, and less bloated. And often eat less, too. Also, put your fork down between bites. It slows you down and allows your body to catch up. Bonus tip, pay attention to food combining. Some people find that mixing certain foods, like fruits with heavy proteins, causes digestive stress. If you're always bloated after eating a mixed meal, try simplifying your plate. Keep fruits separate from heavier meals. Or give your stomach a break with a light dinner of steamed veggies and rice once or twice a week. This can give your gut a reset and reduce inflammation over time. Final thoughts. Bloating isn't just a surface-level annoyance, it's a signal from your gut that something needs support. The good news? With a few gentle daily health tips and natural remedies, you can start feeling lighter, more comfortable, and more in tune with your body. So next time you feel bloated, don't just reach for the antacids or ignore it. Try adding probiotic-rich foods, sipping lemon water before meals, eating slowly and mindfully, listening to your body's food reactions. These small changes add up to real, lasting digestive wellness. If this helped you, leave a comment below and share your own bloating experiences or tips that work for you. And if you'd like more natural remedy videos and daily health tips, hit the like button and subscribe for more. Let's take care of your gut, one mindful meal at a time.